Untitled Chapter
wins flawless victory.
Yeah, so people have been asking me about the aquaponics system, and I don't have enough time to do one of those really cool build videos with the hot pepper was pretty fun. I'm still feeling that, still tasting it. Yeah, I don't know, this is fairly unrehearsed, but I wanted to take a minute, show you what's been going on, because I know people have been interested in it. So we've got the platform in. We're still having some trouble with algae. Let me prop this open here so you can see what's in. Anyways, yeah, so you can see there's still a problem with the algae. It's doing better. If you can see that popping there, I don't know if you can or not. That's actually oxygen from the algae. It's doing better. I'm not having any more fish kills or any crazy. I'll be, at least I don't think I am. Knowing my luck, there'd be a fish, upside down. Over here, I haven't finished the top for this yet, so this is just trying to block out the sunlight the best I can. The big catfish, they're still doing okay. I haven't seen them in a while, though, to tell you the truth. What else do we have here? We've got cucumbers. Let me take you around to this side so you can see, because this is pretty neat stuff, right? This is new to me, because I've done cucumbers before, and I'm not used to seeing all of these cucumbers. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, they're all over the place. I'm used to seeing, 1 or 2 here or there, but not this level of production. And over here, you can see all of these tomatoes everywhere. And the thing is that I've already harvested the stuff, and I'll show you a picture of the stuff that I've harvested too. And everything is the same, where I'm used to traditional gardening, and you get a couple with traditional, but look at this. There are so many peppers here. By the way, it looks like it's time for me to harvest that, huh? Yeah, there's, I swapped out the pump twice, because I put in a swimming pool pump there for a little bit. It was old, and then the impeller broke on it, so I had to tear it apart and take it out of the system and go back to the traditional sump. See over here, we've got this going on now for temporary. I got to put a lid on it to keep mosquitoes down. I was having some trouble with the rails clogging up. I don't know how that looks. I can't see the screen for all the sunlight. But you see, I had to put these. Let me go get one. Sorry, give me a second. Yeah, so I had to put these stints in because the roots of these plants, they got so big that they were clogging up the entire pipe, and I wasn't getting any flow. So I took these stints and I put them in here. You get the idea. Put them in like right about there, so we still have some flow past the roots. And that's a workaround for now. It's the flows. I'm gonna go turn up the valve a little bit to get some more water flow. Working for now. The roots will clog it back up again. I got some bulkheads on order, so I'm going to make overflows and whatnot, so that if it clogs up, look at that, isn't that pretty? I'm so proud of my work. Julia's been helping me with all the netting. She's done most of the netting here, and then we hung it together. Still one more piece needs to be done there. Yeah, so I mean, I'm working on a Daphnia tank, where I'm going to put up a picture here rather than, because like right now I'm walking around. So, like I said, this isn't real. Uh-oh. Look there. So, always something. Probably about once a week, once every 2 weeks, I'm having like a life or death crisis with the tank, where something's blowing up, and if I don't get to it immediately, then you know, everything dies. So it's been fun, you know, and I'm being serious, it has been fun. So what I did there was I lowered the water level a little bit, because this is a primed siphon here, and so how high this container is how high the water level is there. I don't know why it's overflowing all of a sudden, other than extra flow. Oh shit, maybe I've got too much flow for, uh-oh. Yeah, lowering that may not have done anything. So, that's it. I guess I gotta get back to work here, huh? I gotta figure out what's going on there. And yeah, that's part of the reason why you haven't got any updates either. It's I don't even want to say it's always something, because that makes it sound like, you know, I'm upset. I'm not. But it's definitely been an adventure. So I'm gonna leave you with this shot, and bye.